What's going on, guys? We are back for yet another video. I'm going out on kind of a limb with this one. If you guys want to see more of this stuff, smash that like button. And if you don't want to see more of this stuff, you know, just smash that dislike button, or let me know in the comments that this isn't cool, or I'll just get the picture if none of y'all watch it. So I have my sister's Mazda 3 here in the driveway, and what we're going to be doing is doing some brakes on this guy. She desperately needs rear brakes. I'm fairly certain it's on the backing plate right now, so that's awesome. Let's go ahead and unbox or I already unboxed them, but you know, let's go ahead and snag the brakes and I'll show you what we got. I hope you all like this maintenance-y stuff because I do quite a bit of maintenance. So if you guys like it, I got a decent amount of content I can bring to the channel. Yeah, anyways, so here's what we got. We have the R1 Concepts Optimum OEP series pads. I figured it's just her daily driver. She doesn't need much. And then I just chose 2 of the blank E-line rotors. If you're planning on getting this for your Mazda 3, it was $51 on sale, so can't really beat that. I've been running R1 Concepts on a ton of my cars and I have no problems. The Type R is running there. Rear discs, and then I also have front discs for the front because they cracked after Global Time Attack. And I just needed something to get in there to keep the car going. Eventually I'll probably upgrade to 2-piece, but anyways, this is a Mazda maintenance video, so let's get on it. Also, we have a lovely flat tire here in the front, so I'm going to be pumping that up too. So during my tire pump up debacle, I decided to check this air filter. We just got this car like 2 weeks-ish ago, and check this out, guys. This is absolutely atrocious. If I can get it out with one hand. There we go. Oh my gosh. There's a dead bug in it. I think that's a dead bug, like a body of a bug. There's actual acorns in here. I have no idea how they got in here. And it's just chock full of dirt. If the camera would focus, it's actually insane. So yeah, new one of these coming soon. And as always, when the hood's open, I've got to put a little bit of this, you know, Rain-X cleaner in here. Now I have to buy another bottle. So as we can see, the pad's a little bit low, but not on the backing plate like I suspected. However, it's around that 2-3 millimeter mark, so you do want to replace them then before it gets a little bit too low, so not a bad idea. However, I did hear some screeching noises, so hopefully it's not the fronts and I misheard it. Hopefully the other side is on backing plate, but also not hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. Anyways, we're going to be replacing these rear brakes. Super simple on the clamshell type caliper. Just going to pop it open, slide the pads out, pull the bracket off, slide the rotor off, good to go. Oh yeah, this side was getting pretty low. Noise.
Every time I divide all
really hard to do and hold the camera. For best practice, I always try and wire wheel the inside of that where the rotor sticks to, so it's not all rusty in there, and hopefully the rotor doesn't stick as bad next time. And then I put a little bit anti-seize around the ring right there, the hub-centric ring, to also help with sticking. And so I'm gonna grab the new rotor, grab the anti-seize, put all that in there, and then I'll update you guys. Here we are, all anti-seized up. Hopefully the GoPro focuses. So just gonna go ahead and slide this new guy in. There we go. And another best practice thing that I really like to do, because the rotors get oil all over them from the machining process, let's go ahead and spray it down with some brake cleaner, and then just take a paper towel and do a once over on the face of the rotor on both sides. Just got everything back together, as you can see. It's working nice. I can't wait to bed in these pads. However, pressing in the caliper piston was a major pain in the butt. I didn't have the caliper pressing tool, so apparently you can use a pair of pliers. I use channel locks, at least this size, fit best in there to turn it. Huge pain in the butt. I highly wouldn't recommend it. If you have the press-in tool, use that or go buy one if it's close by and you feel like driving. I didn't feel like driving, so I just used the channel locks, but not fun at all. Either way, this side is done, which is super exciting. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheel back on, and then we're gonna move over to the other side. All right, guys, so we just finished the brakes, got this side in. As you can see through there, nice new rotor, new pads and everything. So that's super cool. I'm super glad that that's all done. Pressing in the piston on the driver or passenger side was not nearly as bad as the driver's side for some odd reason, but I'm not sad about that because it was a pain in the butt, so I don't want to do that again. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna clean up all the stuff and go bed in the pads. And then we're probably gonna snag an air filter and change that too. And then that should just about do it for this video. But yeah, let's go ahead and start bedding in the pads, and I'll tell you guys the process once we get out there. All right, here we are in the Mazda. We are going to bed in the brake pads. So the way that I normally do this is I just speed up to 40 and then, oh man, the fronts are squeaking too. I speed up to 40 and then just immediately slam on the brakes down to like 5 miles an hour and do this like 5 to 6 times. And then I also do the same thing from about 55 to 65 too. Just to get the brakes super hot, bed them in. Just do it a couple times, should be good. All right, the brakes are officially bedded in, went down the street, sped up, just slammed on those things and got them nice and warm. Always love it when you get back and you got that nice brake pad smell. A lot of people don't like it, but I actually think it's kind of a nice smell, you know. We're gonna head out to O'Reilly's, grab a Wix air filter, slap it in there, call it good. All right, guys, we're here at O'Reilly's. I sent my sister to get the filter. I completely failed and forgot to bring a mask, so she got the filter. She's actually walking out right now. We're gonna replace the filter in the parking lot. Alright guys, that just about wraps it up for this video. We got the rear brakes replaced and the air filter, and the car is feeling much better. A little bit safer now with having actual rear pad, and it just overall drives better. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, leave a like and a comment down below. I'll do more maintenance videos if you guys are interested. If not, you know, live and you learn. So slap that subscribe button so you can stay updated for all the new stuff coming to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace.